This is the Keychron Black Myth Wukong edition. You can tell this isn't just a standard keyboard. It's a full themed collaboration between Keychron and the game, and it really feels like it's been designed properly and not just skinned over. Let's get it out of the box and have a look. Even just the attention to detail, the big dark packaging really aligns with the game and makes you feel proper immersed. It feels like this keyboard's part of your setup. It's not just a tool, it's part of that overall theme that you're trying to hit. Oh, look at that. All those extra keys. You've got the darker palette, custom keycaps, gold accents, everything ties together. Super nice. Now, the keyboard is one thing. Let's have a look at all these extra keys that you're gonna get in here. You've got a load of premium gold keys to choose from. Some really cool bespoke keys. Anyone who knows the game is gonna know what that is. Now this might just look really cool, but underneath it's got something special as well. You've got a full CNC machined aluminium frame, giving it that premium weight feel, so it's not gonna move around in your gaming sessions. And it's also gasket mounted as well. So if you don't know, it just reduces the vibrations when you're typing, you're playing, makes it feel more premium. It's not going to be rocking about. And inside it's got acoustic foam. So that's what stops it having that rackety sound and adds to that premium noise. Now let's talk about the switches for a second. You're getting proper mechanical switches. So it's responsive, it's tactile, and it just works. Whether you're gaming, whether you're working, whatever it is, listen to that. Connectivity is up there as well. It's got Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz, USB-C, can connect to multiple devices, easily switch them. And the same with all Keychrons. It comes standard for a Mac straight out of the box, but it comes with all the keys. You can swap it straight over to the Windows one, nice and easy. And then you've still got the full customization that Keychron offer across the board. Keychron have got an open source platform, so you can customize and remap macro, layout, key functions fully without having to install a bit of software. It really does give you the opportunity to make the keyboard do exactly what you want it to do in the game. And of course, it's a statement piece. Look at it. It's got loads of gold buttons. So if you like the gold, you can add more in. You can have a look at the space bar. It's got references to the logos everywhere. So yeah, if you're a big fan of a Black Myth Wukong and you want a keyboard that works, looks the part, is premium, and is gonna catch people's attention, then this is a solid option. Guys, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Make sure you follow along, and I've got more reviews coming up. Thanks.